Hi, love. Welcome to my channel, Terry Spoken to You. And today I'm going to do a special video here. I want to prepare some different snacks, appetizers for the game night, girls' night, gentleman night, man cave, movies, whatever you do to sit down and relax and enjoy yourself and like to have some appetizers or some snacks, right? So I'm going to do about 5 different videos. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, give it a like, share, and let me know what you think, okay? And what you would like for me to prepare. But today I'm going to do this announcement video so you guys can see some of the things that I'm going to put together. It didn't cost much. It was very reasonable. And I'm going to get like 5 different, not much, right? But I'm going to pull it off, okay? So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, share, and give it a like, and leave a comment. Without any further ado, I'm going to end this video, and please stay tuned.